2022 is already a year of makeup as we have seen an explosion of different experimental makeup trends. But among 1,000 hyped makeup trends, we have picked up some extraordinary ones that are going to be popular in 2022. So, without further ado, let's jump into the video. In the 2018s, we have seen the revolution of impressive graphic neon eyeliner. But this year, the trend has revived but with a twist to support more fresh and flawless skin. The negative space is a bonus for most of us who don't know makeup, as it invites more room for you to play. Also, unlike traditional eyeliner, which requires you to draw liner close to eyelashes, this trend allows you to clean up any mistakes easily. For creating that negative space, you can try the NYX Epic Ink Liner as it features a slender and supple felt brush tip. The eyeliner is intensely pigmented and waterproof, allowing you to achieve that precise, seamless negative space eyeliner. In addition, you can easily control the thickness, which will enable you to create that negative space liner look. Next comes the detailed brows trend. Brows are generally beauty trademarks, and so each year, brow trends get revamped the most. This year, according to makeup artists, the detailed brows will be among the makeup trends. The application needs to be mastered with a brow pencil and then accentuated with a brow pen to achieve this look. This trend is loved by many because it can restore and enhance any kind of brows. Our pick for brow pen for this trend is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. It's an ultra-slim, retractable eyebrow pencil that is ideal for outlining and detailing your brows. The brow pen features a unique wax formula that delivers high-color payoff and adds natural-looking texture and appearance to your brows, while the ultra-fine tip mimics the hair strokes. The spoolie end blends the pigments and gives you that detailed brow looks you crave for. As long as people have a fantasy of plump and pucker lips, the contour lips trend will stay. But in 2022, the contoured lip trend has a twist in it. To keep the look modern and updated, you need to use moisturizing satin lipstick over anything too matte. You can also use plumping lip liners for that contoured pout effect. Slay your lip game with a double-thread Buxom Plumpline lip liner. It's a versatile lip liner that plumps, lines, and defines your lips to the fullest and sexiest. Plus, the liner comes with a built-in brush that would effortlessly color, blend, and contour your lips. The liner's pigment is creamy so that you can wear it alone or as a base for your perfect plumped lips. From thin arch brows to dynamic unibrows, the brow trend may be that one dramatically changes the most. But in 2022, it's all about being natural with the fluffy laminated brows. In addition, this thickens and gives some strokes to your eyebrow hair. The bushier your brow, the better you can flaunt. Moreover, this look is loved by many as it gives a natural yet pulled together look. To laminate your brows, you can choose to elevate the Beauty Eyebrow and Lash Lamination Kit. It is a 3-step process kit that you can use to create your full brows and will stay for as long as 6 weeks. Suggested by many influencers like Sister James, this eyebrow lamination can be the magic designed to open up your eyes. What's better than having a flush of blush on your face? And this year blush is back, and now it's better than ever. Statement blush and over-blushing is one of the season's newest makeup trends. Brighter color choices like bold peach or punchy pink are the center of attention right now. You can easily create this look at home as the key here is to use less product on your brush and slowly build color. And don't be afraid of vibrancy. By working a small amount of blush color deep into the bristles, you can create that beautiful yet soft washes of color. So, to create the bright blush look, our pick is Maybelline New York Fit Me Blush. It's a lightweight powder blush that will deliver that bright blush look to you smoothly. The blushes are blendable and natural, so you can easily build your layers of colors. Moreover, these blushes are ideal for every skin tone and are non-comedogenic. Every year, new beauty trends emerge, or it's the old ones that get revamped. So, these are a few of the trends that we think are going to be popular in 2022. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find our videos helpful. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.